Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry broccoli. First, select fresh, firm broccoli with vibrant green florets for the best texture and flavor. Next, wash and cut your broccoli into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1 to 2 inches in size, ensuring even cooking. Don't forget to prepare any other ingredients, like minced garlic or sliced ginger, before you even turn on the stove. This preparation, often called mise en place, is key for a smooth stir-fry experience. Now let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil, swirling to coat the pan. Toss in your prepared broccoli and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes, until it turns a vibrant, bright green. For a tender, crisp texture, add about 1/4 cup of water or broth, cover the pan, and steam for another 1 to 2 minutes. A great stir-fry needs a fantastic sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. For an aromatic kick, stir in 1 clove of minced garlic and about 1/2 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. To thicken the sauce, dissolve 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in 2 tablespoons of cold water, then add it to your sauce mixture. This creates a glossy, flavorful coating for your broccoli. With your sauce ready, pour it over the cooked broccoli in the wok. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to bubble and thicken, coating every piece beautifully. The goal is tender, crisp broccoli, not soft or mushy, so don't overcook it. For a final flourish, garnish your delicious stir-fry with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions. Serve it immediately alongside steamed rice or noodles for a satisfying and healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.